Did you know that you can create a landing page on Canva? Well, if not, then you want to tune in today because that's exactly what we're going to do quickly and easily and even for free. Hi, I'm Coach Mona G, and welcome to Social Minutes with Mona. We meet here every Thursday just to show you a little bit of actionable steps that you can do to increase your social media presence, your digital marketing, and all things that have to do with technology, especially if you did not grow up with one of these in your hands. So let's just dive right in, shall we? I'm going to share my screen and we are going to go straight over to Canva. Let's see, share screen. And we're heading straight over to Canva. Okay, let's see. Here we are at the Canva homepage. The first thing, let me start off by saying, what is a landing page? A landing page is like a website. It can be a single page or it can be several pages, but in most cases, a landing page is a single page website that has one call to action. The basic difference between it and a website, a full-scale website, is that your website is going to have multiple pages and multiple calls to action. You usually on a website have the home page, and you might have a video embedded in that. And then you have information about you and what you do and the services that you offered. So the services may be a different page. Contact me may be a different page, but that's a full-fledged, full-on website. A landing page, by contrast, is a single page with only one call to action. You want them to click the button so that they can take advantage of a free offer that you have or something that you're promoting. It could be an event. It could be you trying to build your YouTube channel, which is what I'm going to show you today. Or it could be a number of things, but the idea is that you're giving away something of value for free in exchange for collecting their email address. So you're building your list. Just as a reminder, a website and your email list are the two pieces of real estate that you own on social media. Everything else is a rented property and could change overnight beyond your control. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do if you're going to create a landing page on a website is to go straight here and just simply type in website in the search bar. When you do, you're going to be taken to all of these various templates that Canva and their designers have prepared for you to use, in many cases for free. But let me just warn you, if you see this little crown right here that says Pro, or you see a $sign, then it's not free. That's something that you would have to either purchase the elements, and it would only be a few dollars, or you could, oh gosh, what am I trying to say? You can purchase the elements, or you could upgrade to the premium version of Canva, the Pro version rather, and have an extraordinary amount of features that are available to you above all of the free features in Canva. So the first thing that you do is you scroll down here and you're looking for something so that you don't have to reinvent the wheel, something that kind of appeals to what you think your target audience would be looking for. Okay, that can be really any of these, and you're gonna, don't worry about the colors, don't worry about the text, don't worry about the pictures. All of that is changeable very easily in Canva. So what I want to also point out is as I hover over these, you're going to see that it says 3 of 6 pages, and it gives you a brief overview of what those pages look like. Now, when I say pages, a landing page, remember, is one single page with several different blocks, or Canva is calling those different sections pages. So this will show you that you have 6 of those different blocks to use. This one has 6 also, and on and on. Some of them are just one sheet. They don't have multiple pages. So you pick the one that you think kind of matches your brand and take a look at it. So let's just go here, for example. I think that this might appeal to my audience. Oh, look, I can go right here and change this to one of my branded colors. So it looks more like me. This green is definitely not something that I would use. So I just go up here and change that color to black or dark gray or whatever. If I come over here, of course, I want this to be about me. So I'm going to double click and highlight that. And then I'm going to put Coach Mona G. And then here, I'm going to replace this picture of her. I'm double clicking and then hitting delete. That leaves a placeholder ready for a picture to be inserted. I'm going to come over here to uploads and I'm going to grab one of my pictures, anyone. I'm going to make this one fit better by making it smaller, dragging in the handles, and then inserting it right into that slot right there. And then I just go page by page by page. And I just insert the different text, insert the background colors that match my brand, insert the photos that I want to use or videos. Let me take you to one that I had started already, and I'll show you how that works. All right, let's go right here. This landing page is one that I started building and I'm not finished, but I just want to show you the progress. I embedded a video so that when people land here, number one, there's my logo, so they know where they've landed. I am Coach Mona G. I'm telling them what this is going to be about. Learn social media at any age. My ideal audience are baby boomers and Gen Xers that didn't grow up with technology. So it's a little frustrating and terribly overwhelming when they realize that to be in business in 2022 and moving forward, you've got to be online. You have to be doing videos and all of the things that are working in today's digital business marketing landscape. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Anyway, I embedded a video right here.
I totally get it. The struggle is real. If you didn't grow up with a cell phone or a device in your hand, then you're most likely.
Okay, I'm not going to let you watch that. You can certainly see it if you want to later, but the point is, this is a video, which is, I always recommend that you put a video above the fold at the top of the home page, because people respond emotionally. And that's me and my face and my voice welcoming people and reaching out to what problem they're having that I can solve. Okay. So what I did, this was previously a bigger section, and I simply made it smaller. See, this is what it was when Canva put it up there for me. And then I just made it smaller because I didn't want this huge section at the top. As I continue down, this was a template that I used from one of the templates that I chose in Canva. And I just simply went in here and changed the text, changed the pictures, changed the text and the calls to action. Now, remember, a landing page is for one single purpose. So all throughout this landing page, the one thing that I'm trying to do is to get them to visit my YouTube channel. I'm trying to increase my subscriptions, and I'm trying to increase my view time. So I'm going to use this landing page, hoping that they like what they see on this landing page, and they go over to YouTube and watch my channel, and then they subscribe and come back every week for new trainings and more information. So that's what this landing page is for. One single call to action. Visit my YouTube channel. Then I give them more information, letting them know, join me every Thursday on Facebook for Social Minutes with Mona. That is what you're watching right now. Every Thursday at noon, I go live on my Facebook page at Coach Mona G and do a quick actionable tutorial, usually 15, 20 minutes or so. And I try to never go over 30 minutes because I know how valuable your time is. But the beauty is that the training is going to give you a broad array of information, but you can go back and watch it over and over and over and implement each thing as it occurs in the video so that you're getting hands-on training. So here I am letting them know, giving them a tip how to get creative with client reviews. And in this thumbnail, which is just a picture of what the video is in YouTube, and then a description below. Again, I changed the background color, changed the text, changed the picture, same button, same call to action, visit my YouTube channel. Now, as I'm letting them get to know me, I want to give them some social proof, letting them see what other people just like them have benefited from watching me or watching my videos or working with me in person or online. And so these are testimonials that I created in Canva, and then put on here what our clients have to say, showing them. Now they could go look these people up on Facebook and see that they are real businesses. They are real people. They can go on my Facebook reviews and see that I've just copied the text right over here verbatim. So that's called social proof. Now, I also, one of my specialties that I want to let my baby boomer and Gen Xers know is that they need to be doing reels. So here I'm letting them know that they can learn to do reels with or without having their face on camera. So I've given them a video example of each. This one is using your face on camera.
My mind is like an internet browser. I have 19 tabs, 3 of them are frozen, and I don't know where the music is coming from.
Okay, that is my life. That is my ideal client's life. It's like, oh, how do I turn this music off? Okay, anyway, then there's another way that they can do reels that are just hugely popular and a great way to get discovered and build your following right now. And this one is that type of example where I'm not. This right here, ladies and gentlemen, are my ideal clients, Betty Boomers. And so I'm giving them an example, but again, one call to action, visit my YouTube channel. Then this part I have not finished yet, but it's going to show examples of work that I've done, perhaps a post, a regular static post or a carousel post or something like that. They've already seen video, they've already seen reels. So now I'm going to show them some of my work with posts. And then finally, since I don't want this to be a whole website, is my call to action. Let's work together. Visit my YouTube channel, that one clickable call to action. And then here's my information. If they go to my Facebook page, this is my Facebook cover. So they're going to know that they're in the right place. And then here's my phone number, my email, and all of my social media handles. And these are clickable links. Now, you may be wondering, how do we do that? So let me show you. I'm going to go right here to this first call to action, visit my YouTube channel. And let me move me out of the way here. I'm going to go in Canva up here to this navigation bar, click on the 3 dots, and then I'm going to select this one right here that is a link icon. And I'm going to click on it. Now I want to send them right here to YouTube, Mona Giordano. So I just type in, actually what you can do is open up a brand new tab and go to your YouTube channel, grab the link up here in the URL, copy it, and then go back to Canva and paste it. Oops, let me get back. Go back to Canva and paste it right there where I was showing you in the link. Now I had already done that. So this is the result. And then click done, which saves your action. And you remember to go to every one of these buttons and do that very same thing. There it is, done. Check this one, make sure that it's linked, done. And then this one, open it up, check the link, and it's done. Now, likewise, you can go right here to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn, and you can link those. So I click on the F for Facebook, the icon, and go here to the link. And then I have copied https://facebook.com/Coach Mona G. That's me. That's going to take them straight to my Facebook page. So now you also want to, incidentally, see this little thing right here? This is going to go to the link so you can make sure that it's working properly. You always want to check your links before you publish. So there we go. I'm clicking it. And voila, here we are at my Facebook business page at Coach Mona G. And they got there just that quickly. Now, when they X out of it, they're going to be right back on that landing page again. Okay. So I'm going to click done. And essentially, that's all there is to it as far as creating the landing page. The next part is where we're going to publish the landing page. So what I'm going to do is come right up here to the top where it says publish website. And now I have a series of things that I'm going to go through. Number one, I want to make sure that this box is checked right here so that I'm making sure that this design looks good on desktop as well as mobile and tablets. This is the tablet version. This coming up is going to be the mobile version right there. So Canva has taken all of that tedious work of tweaking everything and making sure that it's great for mobile and desktop and tablets. Now Canva does all that for you. The next thing that I'm going to do is choose whether I want it to have navigation or not. Navigation is that little 3 lines at the top of the home page on a website or a landing page. And if you have navigation, they can click on contact us and it'll take them straight down to that section, contact us. If they want to learn more about you, they click on that section and it takes them right to the about you section. Okay, so I always use navigation, but you don't have to on a landing page. On a website, it's very important because a website on Canva is one big long page with different segments, and each one of those segments they can get to through the navigation bar. Okay, now let me see. I now can choose if I want to use a free domain on Canva. And for this one, this is the choice that I'm going to use. So you can see that all the way through. But bear in mind, you can also purchase a new domain right on Canva. Literally every landing page that you do should have a different domain. Now it can be your website and a page of your website, but yeah, I guess I explained that right. I'm just trying to make sure. Yeah, so the free domain is what I'm going to show you today, but you can purchase a domain right on Canva, and you can also use an existing domain. That's what I was referring to a moment ago. You may have a 20-page website, and one of those pages is your freebie offer. So you can send them there, or, okay, to your existing domain. I'm going to continue with the free domain, clicking on the purple continue button. And now I'm going to put, let me see, build, yeah, BUILD, a landing page on Canva. Okay, then continue. Now notice it's going to be called build a landing page on Canva .my.canva.site. I don't recommend that you use this one often, or if you do, take that big long link and customize it, make it shorter on one of the programs like Bitly, and take that Canva site stuff out of there, okay? But now let me go ahead and continue. And let's see, building a landing page, that's my URL. The browser tab preview is MG YouTube landing page example. And then here is where you would write a description of your offer, the thing that you're giving away, elaborating more on the freemium or the opt-in, whatever you want to call it. It's all giving away free stuff in exchange for getting the email address. And then enable password protection. You do not check this box unless it's a private area, say a subscription where people are paying you to go to. You don't want anybody to be able to reach that website or that landing page. So you password enable it where they have to have that password to access the document. But in this case, I want everybody to see it and they don't need to have a password. And then hide my website from search engines. I don't know why you would do that. Again, unless it's something that you're doing privately, because you want all of the search engines, Google and Yahoo and Bing and all of them to notice this and, you know, put it out there. So now that's all there is to it. I'm going to click publish. And that the wheels are spinning. It's letting me know that it is preparing my design. showing me that creativity is intelligence, having fun. That's a quote by Albert Einstein. Let me move myself out of the way here. And look, there it is. I'm live. It's up. All I have to do now is just, if I want to copy this link to share on social media or in a newsletter or something like that, I can copy the link right here. But let's go take a look at the landing page I just built. There it is. Voila. So here's the video functioning. It just automatically starts. Here is the whole thing. And look, it's like in your face, big and bold. Let's check out a link. Visit my YouTube channel. There we are. There they are at my YouTube channel. And if they look right here, they can see all of the various videos. Let me change this to videos. Look, these are all free trainings that I offer to everybody with these short, actionable tips like this one that you're watching right now. I think I am on edition or episode 39 or 40. Yeah, 39. So now let's go back to Canva. Oops, back to, okay, I have too many tabs open. Let's see. All right, I was looking, there we are. Okay, here we are back at the landing page that is now live. You could go here, copy this link and go here and see this landing page. And if you do, please, when you visit my YouTube channel, be sure to subscribe and ring the little bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video, which is typically every Thursday. Sometimes I miss it if I'm being totally transparent, and it's not every single Thursday, but most Thursdays. Okay. So continuing on, there's what the clients have to say. It looked really small when I was building in Canva, but look, on desktop, this is huge. Likewise, on mobile, it's going to be really small. Okay. There's the reels that I'm showing them how to do. These do not automatically start playing. They have to literally push that play button, or else both of these would be playing at the same time and it would just be like confusing and they'd bounce right away. They don't want to stick around for confusion. Again, I have to go back and finish this so that my work is demonstrated. And then here's my final call to action. Again, one call to action because it's a landing page to visit my YouTube channel. And then there's all of my contact information and my social links. Let's see, let me click on Instagram this time, make sure that it's working, and voila. Here we are at my Instagram profile and bio. So that's all that there is to it. You can do this. It's easy. It's absolutely free. If you use that Canva link, you can purchase your domain right on Canva or use a domain that you already have existing. Let me stop my share. I hope that you found value in that. And remember, you can go back and watch this video over and over and over again and go step by step through this process that I've showed you. In 22 minutes, we have created a landing page, published it to the World Wide Web, and we're ready to move on and watch those email addresses flow in. Incidentally, if you're giving away something like an ebook, a PDF of a checklist or a blueprint or all the things that people use for their giveaways, you would store those in Google Drive, and then that link would be, like download now. That would be your call to action, download now, and that would take them to Google Drive, and they would be able to see what they've asked for right away. So there you have it, my friends. Build a landing page on Canva with everything for free in just a few minutes. You can do this. I'm in your corner if you need some help. My name is Coach Mona G. You can find me on the socials at Coach Mona G, or on YouTube and LinkedIn, it's Mona Giordano, Giordano. And that's going to wrap it up. If you have an idea of something you would like me to cover, send me a private message or an email and let me know, and I'll be sure and get it on the air for you. Until then, let's see, I am going to say goodbye. And I pray that you are blessed through this beautiful holiday season. Spend time with your friends and your family. Make memories, whatever celebration you celebrate, whether it's Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or Christmas, whatever. Happy everything to you. And until next time, may God richly bless you.